So what are the best Forex trading times? The Forex market is open 24 hours a day during the business week, but this does not necessarily mean that all of those 24 hours are good for trading. There is a lot more activity on the foreign exchange markets at certain times of day, and generally speaking, the best times to trade are when the markets are busy.
The two biggest trading floors for Forex are London and the US markets. Although the UK does not use the euro, most euro countries are within 1 hour time difference from the UK, as is Switzerland. US time zones also include Canadian. So the London session and the US session between them cover most of the major currencies that are traded.
The London session starts at 8 o'clock UTC and finishes at 16 o'clock UTC. The currencies that are most active during this session are the Euro, EUR, British Pound, GBP, and US Dollar, US Dollars, which is involved in the majority of all trades.
The US session starts at 13 o'clock UTC, 8 o'clock Estate, and finishes at 22 o'clock UTC, 17 o'clock Estate. The most traded currencies during these times are US dollars, EUR, GBP, AUD, Australian dollar, JPY, Japanese yen, and CAD, Canadian dollar.
The peak trading time, as you might expect, is during the 3 hours when these two sessions overlap and the markets are open in both London and New York. This period runs from 13 o'clock to 16 o'clock UTC, 8 o'clock to 11 o'clock EST.
If you like to let your orders run over several days, it may not make so much difference to you to know the busiest times on the markets. But if you are involved in day trading Forex, where you might open and close a trade within a few minutes, you will find most opportunities coming up during the most active hours.
If you're involved in a cross rate, that is, a currency pair that does not involve the US dollar, you may have another window of time when the financial centers in your two countries are open for business.
For example, if you were trading AUD/JPY, you might find that trading was good during what is called the Asian session. The Australian and Japanese business hours are pretty close, and on a day when activity was expected, you might find some profitable trades during the overlap. However, generally speaking, this is a slower session for just about all currencies.
So the best time for most Forex traders is during that 3-hour window in the morning in the US and the afternoon in the UK and Europe, when the markets are open on both sides of the Atlantic. Trading can be frantic during those hours. There is maximum liquidity and the currencies move far and fast. A lot of the important financial news is released during this period too, especially towards the beginning. So these hours are the best Forex trading times if you want to grab quick profits.